So what I say? Is a circle before it drop? Viewers and subscribers, yesterday now, news release of a plane crash in Rocky Point, Clarendon, where have a lot of people, talking, a lot of people are wondering and say, yo, John, no, some people are say, first time I see a plane crash, some people are say it come like a movie, some people are say them can't believe, some people are say this, some people are say that. Well, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know the attacking basket to work. Now, we are going to do with check people, we are going to do with research, and we are going to do with investigations and everything about this thing, right? Well, in the end, viewers and subscribers, basically after my checks and everything with me done, people, it is coming to my attention that this wasn't a plane crash. More likely it was a landing, you understand? Yeah, and basically something went down and them just land right there. So some people are speculating and say, yo, it's a plane crash, but basically it was a landing, people, because if it was a crash, things would have turned out to be different, people. Well, in the end, viewers and subscribers, well, a lot of people that expect say, all right then, how much people dead, how much people get injured. You don't say, when you have a plane crash, people, that's the first thing where people are thinking, you know what I mean? Some people are going to think, say, oh, it are catching the flames on them, something there. Well, viewers and subscribers, these men who basically are man who know about plane or who know how to land a plane when they come on to an emergency situation, them land the plane in a water, people. You understand? So in the end, some difficulties went down on the plane because I've seen different videos. I have seen where people are saying they saw the plane going around in circles and circles, and some people are saying, why John, the plane look like something happened to it, the plane look like it all crashed and everything. Well, viewers and subscribers, on a real level, the plane have some difficulties and they think we out, you understand? So them don't make them connection already, them don't make them contacts already, them don't make them getaway thing on the field, because them know say this is Jamaica and we got to things already. One time we see something, especially like a plane in the air look like it all crash, people, crowd are going to gather around it soon, as soon as I hear boom. So you don't know that go. Well, people, when everybody come on the scene, police, everything, you know what I mean, according to from reports, they are saying they didn't see no one on the scene, people. All occupants of the plane has gone and left the plane empty. When them comes to boom and looking at the plane, viewers and subscribers, in this plane, there weren't no seat. Like say, you have seat enough, but seat basically, you have to say, two man are different from the pilot and the other man in the front with the pilot. So all of the other seat them, because it is a good size plane. It wasn't a small craft like say some local plane, people. It's a good look size plane. You understand? So in the back part of the plane, there were no seat, viewers and subscribers. So when you look into things like this, people, this plane is a Mexican plane. You understand? Mexican flag upon plane and everything. When you look into things like this, definitely you can see that, people, there is some hidden truth about this thing. And then a lot of things now go talk, because when I check it out, people, right now, big problem with this plane. I'm telling that, people, this plane is a drug plane. You understand? And this plane could be loaded with guns and ammunition as well. When I do the checks and the statistics, people, you know what I mean? This plane wasn't no normal plane taking a flight with your friends and family on a vacation. This plane wasn't no rich man plane who just comes to boom and go to Jamaica, go chill. You understand? So in the end, they have to get away. They have to make their move, and that's why I tell you that they don't make them call already, them don't make them links already, them don't make everything already, people. So in the end, if these police and soldiers who came on the scene when this plane was in the water and comes to boom and circle and corral the whole place down there in a Rocky Point, people in the bushes and everything, I'm telling you, they'd have success, or maybe they do, but you don't know things go to things. This is Jamaica. When you come on to money and them something there, you a man, you come and say, yo bro, I will hit you up, man. I give you a 50,000 US dollar, man. I give you a key of this, man, and you can set yourself straight and you can make a getaway, man. Bro, I tell you I can get this thing for you. I can sort out, man. I'm a rich man. I make one link to my boss, man, and my boss can make everything work. You think them man are gonna refuse this? You face them are gonna refuse this in a time like now, in a crisis like now? No. So in the end, people, anything can happen. But this plane, as I tell you, it wasn't no normal plane. We are having a look at tourists and them something there, and a look at people that go up and a look at many vacation with them family and thing. You know what I mean? So they have to get away. They have to make a move, because once and them stay the people, it gonna be problem. Zin? In the end, a lot of people come on the scene, according to a man who say him girlfriend tell him about the plane, say yo, plane drop around there, so I look like a plane crash, and when he comes about the first one to make a move and go out there, then the whole town come back at him, and him say when him see the plane in the water, people, him afraid to go over to the plane, right? But in the end, what he did, he say, he watched the other youngsters, them who were brave enough, they go at the plane, people. So you believe this and look into this. Right now, me I tell you this now. A lot of man in a rocky point right now can be a rich man tomorrow, you don't even know. Oh, that was yesterday, so right now, today, they can be a rich man, people. You never know. You never know if them find nothing. Because in the end, people, this plane may be loaded, this plane may be overloaded. So maybe, I'm telling you, there's a lot of things them man ever find and make them move already, which they now go put it to the news. Them now go tell the news, say, you know what, we find a key, you know what, we find some this, we find some that. No, people. But viewers and subscribers, this is Jamaica we are living in, and we know how the thing go. When it come on to security forces, when it come on to citizens, and them can get a chance to make some big sum of money, people, oh my world, oh my precious new link. Of course they're going to make it. Of course they're going to take it. But in the end, this is serious things. This is really serious things. And we don't know I got to when cartel situation. And if, as I am saying, people, if this is something where people do find things on them something there, yo, don't feel happy with them something, yeah. This thing you have to feel sad about, because, yo, I'm telling you, this is serious thing, and their money can track and find anywhere you're there. Them something you big something in people. But truth of the matter is, people, this plane wasn't a normal plane, as I'm telling you. And this plane didn't crash like, say, it crashed like, oh, the news, them put it out, the different news media say, there was a plane crash in Rocky Point, Clarendon. When there's a plane crash, people, there's a lot of things to expect. You understand? This plane in the water, and this plane basically not have no damage or anything like that to the plane. When them check like no hit where you know say wing broke off or something, people, basically there was a mechanical problem on this plane, and the pilot, he know what to do, people. He know, him check the place, him check the statistics, how the landing figure, and him know say maybe if him touch down, because him not say a not good place where he could have come so boom and land it on a land, because if him land it on a land, people, he might land it in a tree, land it in a people house, and this and now plane can boom, knock and catch fire and then something there. So the safest place him take this plane and put it down, people, was in the water. And as I'm telling the people, the man they make their move and something go on this is in. But another way can be another way around to, you know, people. This plane can come boom and I go for make a pickup also. It could be where this plane just comes boom and make a wrong part landing, and it comes boom in the water. It a wait for the man then comes boom and can load up them plane with them something. But in the end, I'm telling you, things just go the wrong way. Things just go the bad way, viewers and subscribers for them. So for a lot of people who say, yo, plane crash, and just keep the news dead like that, and a report say, yo, there was a plane crash, there's a plane crash. Come on, man. Common sense can't tell you anything. You understand? Common sense, and attacking boss and a fool, and they come on to certain things, people. You know what I mean? And I'm not going to jump deep and go down into certain things, but all I'm saying, this wasn't a normal situation. Is what it wasn't a couple going on vacation, no. It wasn't a family going on a business meeting, no. It wasn't somebody coming from somewhere. It was something really different, and it's a different scenario we're dealing with right here. But in the end, as we say, they didn't find no one injured, they didn't find no one hurt, they didn't find no one dead. You understand? All occupants of the plane disappeared. So you don't know the part they go. But you don't know the thing of yours and subscribers.